Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This countertop styling convection oven. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length is about like a 31 and 7 8 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like a 27 and 1 4 inches. And the overall height is about like a 23 inches tall. For this unit, the design at the front have a double layer glass. We can obviously see the inside of the units. And at the bottoms, they have some knobs on it, coming with the indicators and power switch. And also they come in with the steaming functions for these units too. And when we opened it, we can see all around the unit's door, they have the rubber gaskets. And they come in 2 shelving racks for these units. And when we look in the bottoms, manufacturer pre-offered the clay, ceramic clay at the bottoms. And this one you also can take it out too. So let me give you the dimensions for this clay. It's about like a 13 inches wide and 13 inches long. For the thickness, they are almost like a 1 4 inches. And also for this rack, you can simple to remove from the shelvings. And the dimensions, they are about like 18 inches deep and 26 inches wide. And when we look in the inside, we can see they do having two circling fan at the behind. And for this entrance heights, they are about like almost like a 13.5 inches tall. And when we look in the behind of the units, this one coming from the manufacturer plugs, they're using the commercial 240 powers. And also the look in the bottoms, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers, our brand's name informations, and also they do have a water pipes inject connection at the bottoms too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.